Why do oranges come in red mesh bags? Are grocery stores deceiving us? Let's join Professor Skeptic and his student Sean Continuity to find out.
Sure. Why do grocery store oranges come in red mesh bags?
First of all, the mesh lets in fresh air. This keeps the oranges from getting moldy. And many oranges are actually more yellow than orange, and red mixed with yellow makes orange. So a yellowish orange behind a red mesh bag makes the orange look more orange.
Thank you for that explanation, sir.
In summary, the mesh bag keeps the oranges from getting moldy. The mesh on the mesh bag is red to make the oranges look more orange. It's a bit of trickery to make the oranges look more appetizing. Don't worry, the oranges taste the same regardless of their outer color. So don't be fooled by the red mesh. Enjoy eating your yellow orange.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.